Good morning. Welcome to episode 14 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkan, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, February 17th. We look back at the past week and we don't see a whole lot of movement in the precious metals. Late last week, gold tested key technical resistance at about $1,800 an ounce. It bounced back up above that with a vengeance. And here again this week, we're testing it yet again. So gold is trading this morning at $1788.10, down from $1845.30, about a 3% drop in the week. Silver, virtually unchanged, went from $27.34 last week to $27.14 this week, about 0.5 to 0.75% move downward. Palladium is the only winner this week. It's up about 0.5% at $12.32 from $12.25, and palladium is down about 0.5% from $24.12 last week down to $23.95. US dollar index is reaching up to that 91 level, although I don't see any reason to get excited about the dollar with no interest rates rewarding people for investing in dollars, with the monetary expansion, the promise of more stimulus and more currency dilution. I don't see how that's going to have a long-term impact. Dollar is in a bear market and it's going to stay there for a while. Platinum is on people's minds. Like I said, it was the only thing, the only metal that was up this past week. It actually hit 6-year highs last Thursday. That's due to stricter emissions controls, global emissions controls, and a disruption in one of the major refineries in South Africa last week. So platinum is one of those metals that has an impact on global emissions. It's a component in keeping the auto emissions down in your auto catalytic converter. So you think platinum, you think green. I got to think in this environment with this administration, it's going to benefit going forward. It's probably why it was on John's mind. John sent us a question last week. He said, is there a platinum ETF or a palladium STF you could recommend for those who don't want to store the actual metal? And my answer to John is simply this. Why on earth would you own an ETF in platinum when you can own the real thing? ETFs are shares in a trust whose fund manager's job it is to mimic the price of platinum as best he or she can. Why would you want a proxy? Why would you want a substitute when you can own the real thing, actual physical platinum, for about the same price, and you don't have to store it, you don't have to pay for that storage, you get a government guarantee, and the minimums are just $50. I'm telling you, John, the PMDDO, the Perth Mint Depository Distributor Online Program, PMDDO is the way to go. If you don't know about it, look it up on our website. Call us, 800-831-0007. Gold, silver, platinum are all available there. The fees are comparable to an ETF. You don't have to store it. You don't have to pay for that storage. And you can own the real thing, not a substitute. Get involved with the PMDDO. That's really all I have for you this week. We'll continue to monitor platinum as it surges over the past couple weeks. I want you to remember to go ahead and right below this video, you can subscribe here to our YouTube channel. You can go ahead in the comments section, send us your questions or comments so we can read it on air like John did. Also, in the description paragraph below this video, you can sign up for our monthly newsletter, our twice weekly alerts. That's information line and always something interesting. You can like us on all of our social media channels. And the parting thought I have for you this Wednesday the 17th is understand that getting rich always starts with keeping what's yours.